A struggling restaurant owner sat quietly in his empty shop, staring at the street outside. Across the road, his competitor had a long line of customers.
$5 burgers? I can't compete with that. My cost is already $4. If I match that price, I will barely survive.
This is actually really good.
Good doesn't matter. Cheap wins.
No, strategy wins.
What do you mean?
Sell this burger for $3.
Are you serious? I lose money at $3.
Exactly. Step 1. Put a huge sign outside. Best burger in town, only $3. That price is insane. People won't think, they'll just come.
And lose money on every sale?
Step 2. Train your staff to ask one question. Would you like fries and a soda with that? You lose $1 on the burger, fine. But fries cost you 20 cents. You sell them for $4. That's $3.80 profit. A soda costs you 5 cents. You sell it for $3. That's $2.95 profit. One customer buys the full meal. Even after losing $1 on the burger, you make $5.75 profit. Before, you made $4 profit per burger, but only had 10 customers a day. That's $40 total. Now, 500 customers come for the $3 burger. 500 times $5.75 equals nearly $3,000 a day.
A week later, that exact line wrapped around the block. The $3 burger sign pulled people in like a magnet, but almost no one left with just a burger. Fries, soda, combos, upsells. The register never stopped ringing. Across the street, the competitor's shop was empty.
This is amazing.
Most people think they're in the burger business, but the real money was never in the burger. Don't focus on the product that brings customers in. Focus on what they buy after they enter. The cheap item is the hook, the profit is in the upgrade.